Guys, how are you doing today? 19th of July. Yes, indeed. Funny how time is flying very fast. And today is a Tuesday. Well, there's nothing in the markets. I have no opportunity whatsoever. I'm going to show you what I was looking out for earlier today. But it seems like the dollar seems to be tanking. If you look at the Euro USD, I had this area marked out as a form of support, resistance, as you can see here. And then not too long ago, we had the dollar weakness get much heavy, right? And then we had this big bullish candle here on the Euro USD hourly time frame, showing you that the buyers have come in for euros. So probably we might have a pull back to this area here and then push higher to act as a form of flip zone. But personally, I don't like this area. It's rather for the risk to reward ratio. I'm not a big fan of this at all. And on the economic calendar for today, we don't have anything much apart from the Bank of England, Governor Bailey, who will be on the wires later by 4 p.m. UK time. So expect some volatility coming out for that currency for the pairs that have pounds inside, right? So let's just quickly flip over to the rest of the majors and gold that we have, right? And cable, here's what we're looking at for cable. We just said news out later today by 4 p.m., which is about, let's see, about 6 hours from now. And you could as well have some sideways movement from here before it decides to do what it wants to do. So pounds, I'm just going to keep an eye on it at this area of interest where we have resistance, some form of resistance here as well. Right now, moving on, if we move on, you can see the previous big candle showing the dollar weakness across board over here too, showing the dollar weakness on the Aussie, on the Kiwi, the same thing, right? This is how you know what is happening with the dollar. As you can see for the majors, you can see the big heavy movement for all the majors I have here. So obviously you know that the major culprit is the dollar. And of course, the dollar is weak. As you can see here, the dollar is weak. So for this Aussie, for this dollar Swizzy, it has broken out of this area here of former resistance and then support here again. So we might as well have a pullback to this area and then a follow through. If possible, if we get something here that is tangible, that will give us a good risk to reward entry, then we can as well take it here for the dollar Swizzy and also for the Euro USD. But this Euro USD is looking a bit too tight, but let's see how it plays out. The same thing for the dollar Swizzy, but this looks a bit better for short. The dollar yen, as you can see, it's sitting nicely on this area of resistance, support, and then this is the area to pay attention to, right? But then don't forget, one thing that is key is that before getting to the dollar yen, from all the euro, pounds, Aussie, Kiwi, and Swizzy, you can see that the dollar is weak. Before the dollar to be weak, then I'm expecting a what? I'm expecting a drop over here, right? And of course, the dollar yen is a special candidate on its own, but at the same time, I still give good enough significance to the dollar, right? So you look at the dollar card as well, it's in the middle of nowhere. Sorry, dogs are barking here and there, but I'll be rounding up soon as I don't have any opportunity in the market for now. So this is the loonie in the middle of nowhere, not interested in it. And then we have gold in the middle of nowhere as well. But as the dollar continues to weaken, you should also expect the precious metal to push higher to this area of former resistance, support, and then we see whether we get a bounce from here or a breakout, and then it now acts as a form of support to push higher. So for now, for me personally, as a conservative trader, as a swing trader, I don't have anything in the market for now. So this is my own daily watch list for the majors on gold. And as I don't have anything, I can as well go and relax or do some research or do whatever. I don't have to stare at the market. That's one question I asked last week. How many hours do you spend each day in the market? If you're making money and you're spending too much time in front of the system, then that is not good for you based on your health. Health is wealth. Wealth is not health. Please pay attention to that. Health is wealth. Wealth is not health. Right. So with that said, I want to say thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully this has been a bit helpful for you. If at least you've learned one thing that will help your trading to cross over to the next level, then that has told me that at least I'm doing something that makes sense. And then, of course, I'll continue to do these videos on a daily basis. And when we do have opportunities, I will share with you. And then, of course, we can take advantage together. Thank you, guys. Trade safely. Enjoy the rest of the day. And God bless. Cheers.